Do-It-Yourself Gourmet presents apple pie filling. In this video, we're going to make some delicious apple pie filling, sans crust, because why do you need it? It's just to hold the apple pie filling, and here we go. Let's start with 2 cups of roughly diced opal apples. Throw in about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Get it on a nice low fire. Sprinkle in about 3/4 cup of sugar. Can evaporate it if you really want to be fancy. And then, I'd say about 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon right across the top there. Get it under a nice medium to medium low heat. Make sure you stir it. It's going to make its own juice. Don't worry, you just got to mix it up right, and you'll see it start to leak out there and turn into a delicious little compote sauce. As you're doing that, make sure and get it spread evenly around the pan, because you do want them cooked. These apples are supposed to be slightly soft and not too crunchy. Don't forget, when it's about done and you're almost ready to turn the heat off, throw in that teaspoon of cornstarch. What that's going to do is allow it to thicken up the liquid that's in there a little bit and really allow for a sauce to form out of that compote that you've just made. Now, do mind the timing, because you only want to cook it for about 8 minutes. Otherwise, it might get too soft. Do it yourself gourmet, everybody. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.